Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mercedes C-Class. This is a w204 2008 model, and I'm just going to show you how you can adjust the time. So if you needed to adjust the time there, this is reading 16:06, which is the correct time. I just adjusted it. I did it because my battery went flat and I just had to jump start the car and whatnot. So basically, if you press this button here, you will see this menu change. So you're gonna press it until you get, so you have to press it until you come to the time and the date there. So you can adjust the time and the date. If you press the R button here, the 16 will be flashing, and then with the plus and minus you can adjust the time. So you can see 17, 18, whatever time you need to put. So in this case, obviously for me it's 16, and then you press R again, and then that will change to the next menu, and then again you can adjust it with this. Then you can press the R button again and adjust the date, the month, and then the year, and press it one more time, and that is set. So now you can just and this will be changed to whatever time you've set there, and then you can just go back to the mileage by pressing the menu button. And that's pretty much it. It's a fairly simple process. So I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.